Conservation of water. Alex is on a cruise. He drinks some water and tries to throw the remaining water into the sea. The ship's captain stops Alex from doing so and tells him that we should not waste water as it is very precious. Alex gets confused and comments that if there is so much of water available in the sea, then why do we say that water is precious? Though there is a lot of water on the Earth's surface, most of this water is in oceans, which is salty. So, it is not suitable for drinking and other domestic, agricultural and industrial purposes. Whereas water which can be utilized for these purposes is found in rivers, ponds, lakes and underground. These water resources are called freshwater resources. They usually get replenished by rainfall. However, the distribution of water in India is quite uneven. This is because some regions of our country have excessive rains while others have moderate rains, whereas some parts get very less or no rainfall at all. Therefore, we must not waste water or pollute our lakes and rivers. Rainwater harvesting is one of the methods of conservation of water. Similarly, lakes and johads are dug to collect the rainwater. Also, some water from lakes seeps into the ground to reach wells and bauli, that is, step wells. Here people go down the steps to fetch water instead of drawing it up with a rope. Hence they are called step wells. For agricultural purposes, drip irrigation system is used to deliver water directly to the roots of the crops. Moreover, government plays an important role in conservation of water by constructing dams to help avoid floods and to generate electricity. Captain then tells Alex that every individual can contribute towards the conservation of water by adopting some simple measures like turning off the taps when not in use, repairing leaking taps and pipes, using sprinklers for watering plants, using water from a bucket to wash our cars, bikes, etc.